Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the movement and effects of lithospheric plates. This is under quarter 3 week 1 of science 8. Okay, objectives. Describe the three main types of plate boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform, and how lithospheric plates move in each. Show curiosity and interest in understanding natural earth processes like earthquakes and volcanic activity by actively participating in class discussion and activities. And demonstrate how lithospheric plates move and interact at different boundaries: the convergent, divergent, and transform. Studying plate boundaries is important because along these boundaries, the formation of the lithospheric is happening. These geologic events have a great impact not only on the environment but also on us. So there are three distinct types of plate boundaries based on motion or based sa paggalaw, which are differentiated by the type of movement they exhibit. The first type of plate boundary, termed divergent boundary, wherein plates move apart or creating a zone of tension. Can you identify adjacent plates depicting divergent boundary on the figure? So alin dyan ang sample ng divergent boundary? So yung nasa drawing po dyan is yung arrow is the movement of the plate. Okay, example po natin dyan is the Eurasian plate and North American plate. Let's take the case of the Philippine plate and the Eurasian plate. You will notice that two plates are moving toward each other. Okay, kung titingnan natin, yung Philippine plate, ito, saka yung Eurasian plate, they are approaching to each other. Ang tawag po dyan is convergent plate boundary. Ang pangatlo naman po is the transform fault boundary, where plates slide or grind past each other without diverging or converging. Okay, the best example of this plate boundary is the San Andreas Fault, which is bounded by the North American plate and then the Pacific plate. Yan, North American plate and Pacific plate. They are grinding past each other. Okay, ito po yung base sa motion. Pag sinabing divergent, papalayo sila sa isa't isa or breaking apart or moving apart. Kapag sinabi naman convergent, they are approaching to each other, and transform is sliding past each other. How do plates move and interact? So when plates move, they meet or separate at boundaries, causing changes on Earth's surface. So ito yung mga sample. Convergent, plates move toward each other. Ang example po na nabubuo is the formation of mountain or volcanoes or the Himalayas. Sa convergent po, may iba't ibang klase yan. Halimbawa, yung oceanic to oceanic. So makakabuo po yan ng tinatawag na mga volcanoes, yung under the ocean. And makakabuo rin yan ng tinatawag na island arc. Yun namang convergent naman ng oceanic and continental, yun makakabuo rin po siya ng vulkan. So may tinatawag din na trench. Kapag naman continental to continental, yun naman po makakabuo ng mga mountain ranges. Ano po, yun ang pagkakaiba nun. Okay, sa divergent, plates move apart, creates new crust or the mid-Atlantic ridge. Sa transform naman, plates slide past each other, causes earthquakes, example San Andreas Fault. Okay, mountains form when plates collide. Volcanoes erupt when magma escapes between plates. So yung binanggit natin kanina, yung mountain nabubuo yun kapag nagbanggaan ay continental to continental, at yung volcanoes naman mabubuo either continental and oceanic or oceanic to oceanic. So earthquakes occur when plates slide past each other. So maliban naman sa earthquake, mayroon pa tinatawag na tsunami na possible sa converging of plates kapag lalo nagbanggaan ay oceanic and oceanic plates.